check who's at the door.
God have mercy upon us.
My mother. There's a basket at the back of the house. There are clothes inside. Tell my mother that you want to help me to wash them, okay? Yes, just go to the back. Don't follow. Don't follow. Hey, Mama. Good afternoon, Mama. Why do you waste so much time to open the door for me? Come here. Mama, you know him now. I want him to help me to wash those clothes. But the clothes are too much for him.
Mama, no problem. These clothes are even too small for me to wash. I was trying to wash clothes.
Yes. But make sure no one messes, eh?